The Jamaica Constabulary Force has released this picture of the taxi which mowed down a police officer along Trafalgar Road in St. Andrew today. The officer is still in hospital in serious but stable condition. As TVJ's Kalisha Williams now reports, a manhunt has been launched for the rogue driver.
Caught by Jamaica Eye, this red plate taxi, which mowed down a police officer at the intersection of Trafalgar Road and Worthington Avenue in St. Andrew Thursday morning. The picture posted on social media through the JCF's account with this appeal.
We have carried out some operations. He has not been located, and we continue to appeal to him, appeal to anyone who knows him, for him to hand himself in. Turn yourself over to the nearest police station so we can carry out a professional and thorough investigation at soonest.
When we went to Trafalgar Road Thursday afternoon, traffic violations were in full display for our camera at the same intersection. Communications officer at the JCF's Corporate Communications Unit, Deputy Superintendent Dela Garrick, told us how the incident unfolded.
To breach, he actually ran a red light. So the reports are that the police gave him a signal to stop. The driver slowed down in a show as if he was going to actually stop and comply to the policeman's instruction. Then he accelerated, hitting the police constable, and then ran over his left leg.
The injured officer is still in hospital in a stable but serious condition, waiting to undergo surgery.
Arrangements are being made through the JCF Welfare Office for all the necessary support to be provided, to include sourcing of specialized pins and things, as the injuries to his leg are extremely serious. Muscle injuries, the bone has been broken twice.
Thursday's incident is the latest in a number of hit-and-run accidents involving police officers and motorists. In 2010, Constable Ainsroy Rushton died after he was run over by a motorist in St. Andrew. And in 2015, Constable Curtis Lewis died after he was hit by a motorcycle in Westmoreland. Also, in 2016, Police Inspector Mark Gibbs was killed in a hit-and-run accident in Trelawney.
It's an indication of the lawlessness that exists on our roads and the non-compliance of persons.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.